IKEA run. I guess this is the redesign of my home apartment part 2. So since my camera collection has grew bigger and bigger, I need some things to just store everything in. Most of the stuff I don't really have a space for it right now, so I'm gonna pick up either a storage space or a trolley. Hopefully I can fit everything in. Also gonna be check out the new IKEA PS collection. Okay, it feels more comfortable than I expected. I literally checked if they were in stock before I came here. Unfortunately, I just wasn't quick enough. Oh, they got the blue one. Items because the lamp that I was after was out of stock. These are bowls. I've seen it on Instagram. Someone's using these for coffee mugs, which I think is super smart. So I'm going to start doing that. This is the dish rack. I'm going to use it to put my records on because I like to have a bit of color rather than the silver one, although that one looks pretty cool too. And then this is the trolley I was originally up. Okay, let's get to work. I don't really like how it looks right now. It just looks kind of off. I'm not happy with it. Okay, now for the big boy. Let's go.
Raskog.
Why is this so far apart? They're the same size, right? No. Shit. Oh my god. There's a number here. I was like, why there's such a big gap? I cannot remove this. When I try to undo it, this side will move. So right now I'm stuck. I guess I need to take it back to IKEA to get some help. It's been a long day, man. Bye. Not my best work, but it fits. Nice. Try to unscrew the storage trolley once again, but it just didn't work. it'll be another trip to IKEA. Just didn't expect it will be that quick. Round 2. So I went to IKEA the other day, but turns out that trolley was already booked. Attempt number 2. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Gotta make sure I read the menu properly this time. What I missed was this number over here. I thought all the trays were the same sizes. It was like super subtle. Oh my god. Okay, still got the wheels to do, and that's done. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Not bad. The whole idea of this is to free up my desk space and also the cabinet next to me. But I feel like I feel a bit more crammed now with this on the side. I don't know. I think eventually I need something to cover this up so it doesn't get dusty. Hey, look at this. She's already trying to get into the cart. I actually don't know if this is better or worse, but I guess we'll find out. Hello, how have you been?
How are you, mate? Look at that little guy, you've upgraded.
So today we're visiting the new fish market. This is my first time coming here. Is this your first time?
First time.
Let's have a look. Honestly, I wasn't expecting too much of change, apart from that it looks more like a mall rather than the fish market I know, as well as the price raise. Just everything felt so expensive. We ended up getting a lobster roll, which was around $25, and that was probably one of the cheapest items you can get there.
For the lobster roll, what was it, Shoppies?
Peters, yeah. One of the two, the most popular shops in fish market.
Oh, okay.
Quality should be there.
Should be nice. It was $25. We'll see if it was worth it. Oh. Right, good. That's really nice. That is so good. Well worth $25. Everything in there was so expensive. Even for like fish and chips, it seemed like
Even really like a normal platter is like what, $40?
A little bit windy, but at least there's no seagulls there.
Oh my god.
1 out of 10, what do you reckon?
7.5?
7.5.
But it's only my first bite.
You've had better lobster rolls then.
I don't want to keep it too high. You should try a bit more first.
Okay. I'd say this is a lunch snack, 10 out of 10. That is delicious for a lunch snack.
After the lobster roll, it was time for a coffee. Luckily, they have Stitch coffee here. Apparently, they're quite famous with tourists now. That's why they have a shop here, I suppose. But that's good because now I can satisfy my sweet tooth and my caffeine cravings. As we were about to leave, we saw the world's best gelato shop. No, I'm not even kidding. Look at this. A satisfying way to wrap up our first fish market visit. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since I got the storage trolley. I moved it from this spot to next to the balcony. I think it was a lot better. I feel like it's more spacious now. Also, there are a lot less clutter on my table, which is nice. One thing I realized is if I wake up with a messy table, my mood is not as good. Whereas when I have a clean house first thing in the morning, it just... yeah, I just feel the calm and peace. But yeah, like I said, this is only a temporary solution. So I will probably have to look for something better later on. But right now, we're just going to leave it as it is. The next part that I want to improve is probably the coffee corner. Right now, I have my dining table, which I don't really use it that much, as well as this cabinet. I feel like it's going to be a while. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time then. Peace.